Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Google's AI mode known as Gemini on your laptop in simplest way possible. Let's get started. First, open Chrome on your laptop. Google AI mode works best in Chrome because it supports all the new Gemini features. If you don't have Chrome, you can download it, but any browser will work. In address bar, type gemini.google.com, then press enter. This is Google main page for AI mode. If you see a welcome screen, you are in right place. Now click the profile icon at the top right. If you are not signed in, choose your Google account and log. You must be signed in to activate AI mode. Once you are on the Gemini page, look for the button that says try Gemini, enable Gemini or ask Gemini. Click it. If you want Google search to use AI to open google.com, search anything. At the top, look for AI view option. If available, click enable. Full AI mode on laptop, click on three dot in your Chrome, go to settings, open experimental AI or AI feature. If it is available in your region, turn on feature like Chrome AI, help me write, AI tab organizer. This feature brings Gemini in your browser, and that's it. You have successfully activated Google AI mode on your laptop. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.